thanks for being patient. Week on camp, back after being with the seniors last time, but how's it gone so far this week?
Yeah, no, it's been a great week so far. An enjoyable one. 3 days of training. This is our third, if I'm right. And yeah, the group are enjoying a lot, training really well. So it's all positive heads for the game on Friday.
You say positive heads because obviously last camp obviously didn't finish as they wanted, so, but unaffected in terms of mood, do you think?
Yeah, no, like Matty obviously said after the game, there was positives to take from it. So the group are in a good place. They understand that that's one game. There's a lot more in this group, and we have to focus on the next one to put ourselves in the best position to qualify. You
yourself, playing against Canada, first start for the seniors, what was that experience like?
Yeah, no, it was a really enjoyable one. My family were there at the game, so that was a very special moment. I enjoyed it a lot. It was a bit disappointing on the result, but overall it was an experience I'll remember for a long time.
You had a quick rise from the under-17s up to the seniors, playing for those two under-19s, 21s, all within the same year. You've had to have opportunities at first team level with Doncaster as well. So how have you had to develop, you think, to adapt to senior men's football?
It's obviously a big step up from 17s, for example, but it's one that if you go into it and you play your own game with that confidence and that self-belief, I think it's a lot easier. It's a challenging environment no matter what first team squad you go into, so to be a part of them all, I'm very grateful for, and just I've enjoyed all the moments. Some have been difficult, some have been enjoyable, and I'm thankful for all of them, really.
Talk about enjoyable, you had a good season last season in terms of parent club promoted, the club you were at loan promoted. You've sticked with Doncaster at a higher level now. Was it a natural step for you to stay with Doncaster, seeing as they were promoted?
Yeah, I think, like you said, it was a natural step up. They've got promoted. It was a familiar environment for me, knew the staff, knew the players. So in the end, it was a pretty simple move. Going back there where I knew everyone, knew the fans, played good football last season, and yeah, just trying to kick on again now with them.
Under-21s, you've got 2 tough games this campaign, in this window. Belgium at home, what do you expect from them?
No, we obviously know the quality that Belgium have. A nation like them have always been up there with the top other nations. So there's undoubtedly there's no doubt that they have quality, but so do we. So we're going to go there, we're going to respect them, but at the end of the day, we back ourselves 100% to go in there and get a result. So that's what we'll be hoping for on Friday.
And good to be at home for the first game of the window as well, I suppose, at Rodney Parade again.
Yeah, no, Rodney Parade is obviously seems to be the home of the 21s, and every time we play there, the fans are always unbelievable, and we can't thank them enough for that continuous support.